guys, welcome back. Don't look at my lip. I do have a cold sore. It's in the healing process. That's why I didn't want to apply foundation on top to hide it. I know it's not cute, but don't look at my lip, okay? Just focus right here on this area. This is what I'm going to do in today's video, my eye makeup. So focus right here. Don't look at my lip, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this halo eye makeup look. So pretty. I used the ColourPop and Kathleen Lights pigments. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. I said that in slow motion. And also I used the Dream Street palette because why not? So all I have on my eyes is Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaborations. Wow, I really like how this makeup look turned out. The pigments are so beautiful, okay? So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep watching. But first I'm going to shout out the subscriber of the day, and honestly I don't know who I'm going to shout out in today's video. I think I'm going to shout out Cecilia. Cecilia, I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name. She's so supportive, so Cecilia, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Oh my god, you guys, look how beautiful these pigments are. Wow, I kind of want to turn off the light so you can see better. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Wow, so today I used the Kathleen Lights in ColourPop pigments. The bad thing with these pigments is that the glitters or the shine, I don't even know what that is because it doesn't look to be glitter to me because it's so finely milled, but it kind of gets everywhere. I mean, I have that in my hair, all over my face, and luckily I didn't do my face makeup today, I mean yet. And yeah, that's the bad thing, I guess. Also, we have a situation. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know this, but last Friday I woke up with my bottom lip like gigantic. I do have a cold sore. This was insanely huge. I'm not even exaggerating. This was like this, you guys. I couldn't speak, I couldn't eat, I couldn't drink. I felt like garbage. That was amazing. Oh my god, I don't want this anymore. I know it's kind of nasty, I'm sorry. So in today's video I'm not going to touch my lips because I don't want to mess with that. It kind of hurts. So I'm just going to do my eye makeup and that's it. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to use the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. I'm going to use the Dream Street palette as well. And pigments, of course, I already showed you those. So first I'm going to prime my lid and I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer. I really love this as a primer. This is in the shade Ivory. This is a little bit more bright. Also I have the white concealer, but I don't want to use a white concealer as my eyeshadow base because then I'm going to have like white concealer all over this part. I don't want that. I'm going to use this because I feel like this also makes the color a little bit more vivid, if that makes sense. So I'm going to apply this concealer on my lid. Then I'm going to blend it with my sponge. I really want to listen music, but also I want to talk with you guys. Wow. So, okay, first I'm going to go with the color Magical. Yes, this is Magical. This is like a nude transition shade. Everyday color. I'm going to apply this with a fluffy brush, not blush. And as you can see, I didn't set my concealer because, as I said recently, I kind of like a sticky base. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm going to apply this almost all over my lid. I'm going to create a very nice transition. Oh, and by the way, today I wanted to film first impressions on that Juvia's Place palette. But then I saw these pigments sitting right here in front of me and I said, oh, I have to play with them because they are so pretty. Next I'm going to take Potion, and is this warm reddish brown. So beautiful. I'm going to apply this mostly on my outer corner and my inner corner. And as I always say in my videos, no worries you guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, because we are going to apply concealer and we are going to make it perfect, you know what I'm saying? So don't stress too much, just focus on blending, you know what I'm saying, like to have like a nice transition in between the colors. Oh my god, you guys, How to Get Away with Murder, like the season 5 is about to end. We need more episodes per season, because what I'm going to do with 13 episodes per season, I need like 25 episodes. I'm so mad about that. I don't want this show to end because I love it so much. I love it so much. And also I started to watch Elementary, like the season 6. I really like it. I think it's so good. You know, Sherlock Holmes is so smart, is incredibly smart. Anyway, I really like that show. What do you guys watch? Like, what shows do you guys watch? Make sure you blend very well the edges, like, you know, to have like a nice transition in between the colors. Next I'm going to take Elfish, and I'm going to take this pencil brush. First I'm going to apply it with this pencil brush. I'm going to apply it like right here. I'm going to create the halo eye, I mean the halo effect with this, and then I'm going to blend it out. You see what I'm doing there? Next I'm going to take this brush and slowly I'm going to blend that out. And make sure you use light pressure. So I picked a little bit of Elfish on this brush, and as I said, slowly I'm going to blend this out. Okay, so at this point it looks pretty blended, but I want to blend it more. I mean, I'm looking for perfection. I don't know if you notice this, but I'm always looking for perfection. I don't always achieve perfection in my videos, but I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Next, I'm going to mix a little bit the colors, these two colors, and I'm going to blend some more. Okay, next I'm going to take the white concealer from ColourPop and I'm going to create the halo eye makeup. And actually today I'm not going to apply concealer like all over this part right here. I'm just going to do the cut crease, if that makes sense. I'm going to take this very small brush and I'm going to create that halo, you know, I'm going to create the arch. And remember, when you're doing this part, don't breathe. I know that Ariana Grande says keep on breathing, but I tell you not to breathe when you're doing this part, okay? And I'm doing my halo eye makeups and cut creases a little bit higher than my actual crease, like where my crease folds, because when I'm going to have my eyes open like this, you won't be able to see that cut crease, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm bringing it a little bit higher, so you can see like the line right here, you know what I'm saying? I hope so. If you have very hooded eyes, just try to bring the cut crease a little bit higher. Let me know if that works, you know, because my eyes are hooded but not like crazy intense hooded, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you try this technique, just let me know if it worked for you. So as I said, I'm not going to fill in with concealer this part. I'm going to fill it in with glitter primer. because I'm using pigments and they go everywhere, so this is so necessary when you apply pigments, you know what I'm saying? Also, I'm going to apply it on top of the concealer. First, I'm going to go with the Scorpion pigment, and I'm going to apply this like outside and inside of the halo. And I'm going to use the same brush. Carefully, I'm going to pick some pigment. Okay, next I'm going to take the ram and I'm going to apply it in the center. And I'm using a different brush. I mean, it's the same brush, but not the same. I mean, it's the same, but not the same. This is so beautiful. And you'll see that this is a little bit more sheer. It's not that crazy pigmented, and I picked a lot. Okay, that's better. Next, I'm going to try to blend them together, you know, to have like a nice transition in there. And you can see the Scorpion peeking through this ram, because as I said, the ram is a little bit more sheer, but I'm going to try to fix it. Next, I'm taking the brush that I applied Scorpion, and I'm going to try to blend a little bit this. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, next I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to apply this again wet. I do have some fixing spray right here in the cap, and I'm going to wet my brush. Next, I'm going to take Elfish a little bit with the pencil brush, and I'm going again on the outer corner to blend a little bit this. Okay, as you see, I already did this bottom lash line, and I applied this ColourPop pencil. This is in the shade Poppy, and apparently this is not as pigmented as their other pencils. You can see it a little bit in there, but no, it's not crazy pigmented. So yeah, I'm going to apply this in my waterline and also a little bit below that. Next, I'm going to take Elfish on a pencil brush and I'm going to blend that. And also I'm going to connect with my outer V right here. Next, I'm going to take just a little bit of Potion and I'm going to blend that a little bit more. And right on top of that, I'm going to take just a little bit of Scorpion. I'm going to apply this in my inner corners, and I think I'm going to apply a little bit of glitter glue to make this pop and to stick, and then very lightly I'm going to apply it on my brow bone as well. This is in the shade The Lion. Roar. Wow, this is so gold. Wow, I think I applied too much. Ooh. As you can see, this is so intense. Probably I shouldn't used the glitter primer. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. Sometimes I make bad decisions. It's totally okay. Okay, so this eye makeup is complete. I'm not going to do anything else because it's so sparkly and so beautiful. Off camera, I'm going to apply my face makeup. Be right back. Okay, as you can see, I did my face makeup and I applied lashes Wow, I forgot how much I love the Ardel lashes. These are the 120 in black. This is the twin pack, and actually I did washed these with the Cinnamon Secret brush cleaner, and they are like brand new. I'm impressed. Oh my god, they look so good. They look like they are new, like wow. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty in the shade Hustla Baby. I'm going to apply it with my brush. This is the Morphe M501. Ooh, look how glowy this is. Hustler Baby. Okay. Okay, so let's pretend I have like a nude lipstick on and a little bit of gloss on top. Okay? But all I have is this Vaseline with calendula extract and a little bit of vitamin E, I guess. Yeah, so this is what I have on my lips. This is so glossy. It feels so nice. Let's hope my cold sore will disappear. I don't think so, but yeah. Okay, don't mind this. Don't look at my lip, you know. You guys, I think this is the finished look. No, okay, wait. Now I think I'm ready to do the outro. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I really love the pigments. I feel like they are so sparkly and so beautiful, but also I feel like they are a little bit different. For example, the Scorpion one is so pigmented. This is like a loose shimmery shade. I was about to say glittery, but it's not that glittery. But then this one is a little bit more sheer, but also this has more sparkle, more shine, more glitter. Even though it's not glitter, this is so finely milled. It's not glitter. It's not glitter, okay? So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what do you think? Do you have any, do you pick any pigment from the ColourPop and the Kathleen Lights Zodiac collection? Because I kind of regret that I didn't bought the entire collection. Wow. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? I'm so professional, that's why it's taking me forever to film my videos. Oh my god.